Okay, so here's the airtight pet food storage container that I'm going to turn into a composting bin for the kitchen. And so it needs to have some holes. And I bought a carbon filter for a really expensive composting container. I cut it in half. I'm going to adhere it to the inside of the lid. But right now I'm just drilling some holes. I have an old phone book underneath there. I think this is a 1/4 inch drill bit. Oh. It's hard to, drill and take pictures, so. Okay, not a big deal.
No. Put that in there. Put that in there.
I will let you know what happens. Oh, yeah, and by the way, this container was $10. A pack of 2 circular filters was $5. Cut them in half, so I've got 4 filters to use. Like I said, I'll stick it on the inside of there somehow. And that's it. Airtight.